Uh, they're full of shit. It's not going to overwork it. Basically, what they're trying to tell you is you'd have a bottleneck somewhere, and you absolutely would not have a fucking bottleneck. If I put a 1080 in this computer, I would have a bottleneck because my processor would limit my GPU.
Where are we going?
Good question. School? Get the fucked up match out of the way?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, cool.
3, 2, 1 now.
I already did.
Yeah, that's why I counted down faster than I started.
Alright, are we gonna hit the school itself or are we gonna hit the apartments?
Ooh, I feel like apartments, and I feel like we should land on the same exact one.
Alright, is that the furthest one away from us? Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to land on it.
Most southwestern corner.
Making my way downtown. I miss Robert.
He's on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, you take that side of the building all the way down, I'll take this side of the building all the way down.
Man, it's running a little janky.
It's not running bad for me, actually.
That's weird.
It's...
Get out my way. Get out my face. Go, go. We're getting shot at.
Oh, God.
Look out, Ned. It's coming right for us.
I don't want to shoot the bunny.
I'll shoot the fucking bunny.
I'll watch.
Empty. Yeah, dead. Nothing. There's a level 1 backpack in there.
I got a backpack and a vest, so...
Backpack. I need a vest.
I need a gun. There's so many things happening outside. And I don't have... Ooh, a pistol. And a
That's
code.
what I got. Oh dear God, baby Jesus.
Dude, there's real shit.
I want to see if I can shoot somebody with a pistol.
Justin did it the other day. He headshotted somebody with a pistol from like super far away. I'm pretty sure it was by accident, but...
Alright, I got a level 2 vest down here.
Found a shot. Oh, you went on my side.
The door was open.
That's fine. There's lots of stuff on your side.
Vector and Shoddy.
Pick up whatever you got over there.
I gotta reload.
Alright. Alright, this side's empty now. I got a shotgun as well. Do you want to hit another building?
Yes. Hold on a second. Okay, cool. We're almost in center circle.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh shit, wrong way.
Oh, alright.
Alright, girl. 556.
Alright.
Alright, fine, I'll pick it up.
.4x.
Oh, there's an M16 over here.
Alright, go ahead. You already got the ammo, just grab it. Alright, I'm going upstairs.
Right behind.
Oh yeah, ballistic mask. Alright, AKM. Now we're talking. You want another AKM?
I just picked this up, nigga.
Picked what up?
It was a M16.
Well, come grab
Yeah, I
this.
might as well, because it's gonna be more powerful.
Yeah, and I'll drop you this 4x right here.
You want this hollow sight?
Oh, hell yeah. I'll drop you this red dot then. I'll drop you a red dot and a 4x.
Alright. All right, upstairs.
All right. Oh.
I had to drop that fucking smoke grenade. It was pissing me off.
Sweet level 2 helmet. Alright, this is empty. All I see up here on the roof so far is just a pistol and some level 2 backpacks.
I got a level 2 backpack.
Alright, nothing else up here then. Alright. Smoke grenade gone. 12 gauge. Alright, I'm good.
Cuck.
You just want to keep hitting all the buildings?
Yeah, why not? We're still in circle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna head out the back door.
Alright, I'm coming with you.
I know there's still gonna be people here, so we gotta be careful.
Yeah. Quick draw mag over here if you want it.
I think I got one.
Red dot. Huh, a scar. Goodbye, shotty.
Nice. Finally, a fucking helmet.
You got a level 1? Oh, I was just about to ask you if you had one. Yep.
I just picked up a level 2.
Awesome.
Med kit up here. I don't know if you need one.
No, go ahead. I've already got one.
I've got 2.
Sniper rifle flash hider if you want it.
We're gonna need that for something. Oh, you know what? It'll probably go good with this right here. Scar L. Wait, no, you can't even use it.
No, you're thinking SKS.
You need 5.56 rounds.
I've got some, I think. Yeah, I've got 60. Alright, I'm going up to the next floor. Alright, just found another first aid kit and a black shirt. I'm gonna take that.
Ooh.
Level 1 vest. Level 2 vest. Alright, done with this floor.
If I hear that gunshot one more fucking time, somebody's getting taken out.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Come here, come here, come here, come here. You got the 4X right there on the next roof. See him?
Eat a dick!
Got him.
China #1.
You dumbass. Who lays on a roof?
Well, there's probably another guy here somewhere.
He's dead. He was an insta-kill. He's dead.
Was he?
Yeah, he was an insta-kill.
Oh, wait, what is that? He's got something with a... Oh, that's a fucking VSS.
We can still go check that building out.
I mean, yeah, we're gonna loot his body. I mean, in like an hour.
Wait,
'cause-
was that an insta-kill?
No, it was not, because he went down.
Oh, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, fuck. Which door do you
Well,
wanna go
his
down?
buddy is gonna go and insta-kill.
Wait, should we check? Should we watch him to see if his buddy?
Yeah, fuck it.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the floor just above us.
I'm actually gonna go up another floor, because I don't know, feel a little weird about it. I shot that bitch right in the back of the head. Did you see the skid mark? left the doo-doo stain on him.
There he is.
For real?
Yep. Hold on, just wait, stay still.
Where's he at?
He came out the door and then ran back in. Alright, he's at the body. Now. Dead. Alright, we're safe now. Let's go do this.
Alright, yeah.
You want to go right out the front door? Or out the back door and walk around?
Let's go out the back, just because there are still gunshots, so we don't set ourselves up.
Alright, I'm pulling the AKM out. I don't see nobody in none of them windows.
You hit left, I got right. There's still a good bit of loot down here. I got Shoddy out. Let's scope this out before we do that. Never mind. We're already here. Go ahead, hit the body. Hit them both.
Alright.
Let me know if there's any level 3 stuff. I could use like a helmet or something.
Alright, let's see. Level 2 backpack, more 7.62 rounds. Med kit, first aid kit.
I could use some 5.56. I don't need 7.62 anymore. I got this Scar L.
Alright.
I could use attachments.
Okay. You're not holding any SMGs or anything, right? Just rifles?
Yeah, just rifles. Well, shotgun and Scar L.
Alright, let's see. There's... It's just scopes. That's all he's got, scopes. Alright, I grab pretty much everything. I'll drop you some stuff inside when we're not out in the open.
I'm good. We're good. Let's get out of here.
Alright, right here. Alright, I got a ton of... Here's 65 7.62 rounds.
I'm good on 7.62.
Okay. Do you need
It's
any
the
more?
5.56.
I've only got 3 more. I used my Scar to kill him. Do you need any painkillers, bandages, first aid kits?
I have 3 first aid kits, 15 bandages, stun grenade, 45 ACP,
Here,
which I don't even need.
Take some of those energy drinks and that 7.62. Oh my god, it says bad module stopped working.
You crashed.
Yeah.
Alright, I got you.
Did I at least drop those energy drinks?
Yeah, I got them.
Okay, cool. Son of a bitch.
Well, at least you did it in there.
Yeah, standing still instead of running out into a field.
Ooh, these dumbasses left the fucking flash hider for my Scar.
Too bad it's not a silencer.
I know, right?
Alright, the game's starting right now. Good thing I'm recording that.
Penis, there's another shot. There's shots closed.
Okay. I'm almost in. I got full audio back.
Alright. I'm hearing shots fairly close. I might go on the roof.
It's fine. I'm back.
Alright, yeah, hold on 1 second. Let's go back up here.
Damn, that was laggy as shit. Alright.
That's coming from about 245-ish.
Ah, yep. Alright, let's... What do you want to do? You want to head that way? You want to loot this building?
We gotta see what's not looted. The one in front of us looted. That one's looted. It looks like they're all looted, except for maybe these ones back here behind us.
The ones that we looted? Did you just jump off the roof?
Yeah, it didn't even take damage.
There's a door in here. It's not even open. With 2 first aid kits in it.
Yeah.
I'm dropping all the bandages.
These are all looted. I feel like I'm getting too far away. Yeah, these are all looted.
Alright. What do you want to do?
Don't matter. Stop moving for a second. I hear footsteps. Sounds like inside a building. Oh, that's gunshots coming south.
Yeah, pretty far away.
They were real faint, so it sounded like footsteps.
Yeah. Dude, we're still
Let's see
dead
where a
center of
circle.
circle, man. Like, we're kind of set with
Damn.
762 at least.
You just want to kind of hold it out then?
Why not? Let's see.
Fuck it.
I'm going upstairs. I mean, we're on the building with a high ground anyways.
Top floor. Yeah.
I don't want to go quite to the roof, but
No, absolutely not.
let's see. School's to the west.
Yeah, I got a perfect view of school.
Okay, I'm gonna go take this corner right here where I can see everything to the east as well.
Oh, I forgot I got a flash hider. They won't be able to see me very well. Not my shots anyway.
Did you want a holographic sight for any reason?
No, I got one on my pistol.
Okay. I was just gonna get rid of the red dot.
Yeah, if we camp this out, like, we should be pretty good.
That's a nice crate over there on that roof to the north.
What?
I said that's a nice crate over there on the roof to the north.
You mean the dead body?
Yeah, the two of them.
Yeah, they fucked up.
I wish we would have found an extra 4x scope and some 5.56 rounds.
Huh. I guess it'd be a lot better if I actually had my volume up to 100 in game, so now I should be able to hear everything.
What kind of headset you rocking? Same one I got?
It's the Logitech Void. It's like the $40 one. I'm gonna check hillside to the southeast. See if I see anybody running. Which is the short side of circle?
Oh, now
okay. No,
right where we're at.
Well, I was gonna say it's over by Pachinki, like the blue and
Now it's
the blue
northeast.
circle. Like,
Well,
what do you want to do? We got 2 minutes. We can wait a little bit and then roll out. The problem is we're gonna have to run up Pachinki and we're gonna have to run through that wooded area, and people are probably already gonna be posted up.
yeah. Do you want to try to make it over to these buildings right here? I can't really remember what's exactly
All right,
there.
let's make it downward. What do you mean on the map? You want me to check the map?
Yeah.
Okay, in that direction, directly that way. You see that road that starts to turn right at school, the direction we would go? Right there where I dropped the marker?
Yeah, that little dirt road.
Yeah, there's a buggy right there on that main road.
Okay.
Let's see if I can get a visual on it. Nah, the building's in the way. Go out the back.
No buggy.
It must be gone now. It was like on the main road.
Alright, you want to go up this hill then?
Directly up the hill?
Yeah, directly like my 165.
Dude, that buggy's right in front of us. 260. See the tree by the road?
Oh, I see it. Okay.
I mean, we can take it, but it's going to be a risk and it's going to draw attention.
Well, we can take
I'd,
it.
I'd say fuck it. Let's just hoof it.
Alright, sounds good. I'm worried about this town up here.
Yeah, I'd say keep your eyes on west. west and south, so between south and west. I'm taking shots. It's coming from school.
Sure is. Keep hauling, or you gonna try to kill him?
I want to know where it's coming from because I'm gonna shoot him in the face.
It's definitely school.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely school.
Well, circle's
All right.
closing, so not like we're in any danger.
Yeah, no, and we got med kits. We can, if you want, we can just kind of like fall back a little bit and rock him. But we don't know if it's one or two.
I'm hearing shots behind us now to the 160.
Yeah, 160, 170.
We say we crest this hill.
Deal. Let's crest it at like like 200. That's giving us cover over the school.
Vehicle.
All right, hold up. We got a pretty. Yeah, I see them. Want to take them out? They're coming straight for us. They took some damage. They're gonna have to stop and heal. I'm gonna go up south. You keep going that way.
All right. There's more
Shots are
shots.
close. Get some cover.
Taking this tree right here to my 170.
Try to get an upward position on them.
Oh shit! There's a crate right here.
Hold on. Sit it out. They're somewhere.
Oh god, they're close.
I found him.
Where?
230 tree to the left of the rock.
I don't see it from my location. I got a grenade.
Send it. He got on the bike and took off. Let him go, let him go. Now we gotta watch people behind us. Because we just drew a lot of attention.
Sure did.
And I'd hate to have to go down. Fuck it.
185.
Yeah, I heard it. It sounded like it was more 145, 250.
We're just making our way down the hill.
No, I'm gonna go towards action.
All right. Sounds like a
Fuck,
date.
there's 23 people. Fuck it.
21.
YOLO. Probably motorcycle people's dead now. We got to be careful because he was shooting at somebody down here. We don't want our backs turned to him. Yeah, there's a motorcycle down there. We got to get some cover. It's coming from
Behind
80
us. Yep.
east. Yeah, it's outside. Well, close to edge of circle.
Okay.
It's really close.
I'm gonna
Post
get down
up right
behind
here.
this rock over here.
I'm gonna go up. Oh yeah, it's getting juicy. Oh, look at this beautiful battlefield.
80 still.
It's, yeah, well, it's more like 75. Want to get him?
Oh yeah. He's got to come this way.
He is. He's dead. Okay, he was insta-kill. He was healing.
Location.
14.
Where was he? I want to see if he's got ammo.
Directly where... Oh, yeah. Right here. Directly next to this tree. See where I'm running?
Alright.
I do need some 5.56.
You and me both.
4x scope.
Hell yeah.
Compensator. Extended quick mag. Suppressor. Level 3 helmet.
Take the level 3 helmet.
AKM. Alright, I'm out. We gotta make way to circle. We got 38 seconds.
Fuck, no 5.56. That sucks.
Oh shit, we got a crate just dropped right in front of us. You with me?
I'm right behind you.
Alright, hold on. Let's sit this out. It literally dropped right on us.
Oh, no shit.
Oh fuck, it's right at the edge of circle. We gotta move. Alright, I'm gonna go high. You wanna cover me?
Alright.
Let's check this northwest first. There's gunshots. I say we fucking camp it.
Alright, I'm taking the tree you just left. Alright, shots coming to the 275, 270-ish.
Okay, I don't even think anybody knows.
Hit it, hit it.
Oh my god, 828X scopes and sniper rifle.
Alright. I'm gonna come grab one of those 8Xs. You dropped that 5.56 on purpose?
Probably not.
There's 40 rounds.
Oh fuck, seriously? That's all my SCAR ammo. Hold on, I gotta reload. I got an AWM, or AMW, whatever the fuck it is.
Awesome.
I see him.
Location?
295 crawling. Got him. Headshot.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Wait a minute, there's 7 left. Oh
We need-
shit, circle's
we need to
moving.
move. It's not moving. We got 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's take
Check
let's
hill
take
top,
high. Let's take high.
sides.
Let's come this way. Come this way. Let's stay high ground.
I'm gonna check real quick because there was other gunshots.
12. 10.
All right, let's go. Okay, gunshots this direction.
Yep, 260. I'm pretty sure there's people in the red house. Oh, I see
Yeah,
them.
I don't have
see
a
them. I
visual.
see them. They're out. They're outside. Just get over here.
I have no idea where the fuck you are. Oh, okay.
Somebody else also has a very high-powered rifle of some sort. So we need to keep track to our shit. We have to keep moving down this fucking hill.
Got another one.
Jesus.
He stopped right outside the house.
There's 4 alive, man. We need to move
Alright.
down this hill, though. Alright, you take that tree. I'm gonna take the next one down.
Got another one. That's 3, bitch. There's
left.
one more. Chicken dinner. Hold on, because they're sitting on these fucking trees. Yeah, dude, he was aiming right at you.
Which trees was he
I'm
at?
popping energy drinks. He was at 310.
310. Okay, so to my right, that tree all
Yeah,
the way off in the distance.
the very first one.
So his buddy's probably over there somewhere.
No, he was insta kill. Energy drinks, pop them.
I'm ready.
Get ready. I'm doing all of them.
I'm on the edge of circle, so
All right, I'll be there in a second. We got to spread out a little.
yeah. I'll move down towards like southwest if you want to take the other side.
I see him. I see. He's 250 west.
Yep. Behind that tree.
Which one?
This one.
Got him. Fucking chicken dinner, baby.
And I just recorded the game.
Whoo.
See,
Dude,
man?
that was a quick. Yeah.